Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. It is time to finish the picture of Vega, my favorite character from Street Fighter franchise. If you want to see how we got to this stage, you can check out previous video where I draw and ink him. Right, so I want to approach this one a bit differently than I usually do by keeping the background white, while maintaining that comic book look aesthetics as well. We do, however, need a way how to make the character stand out a bit from the picture, and I decided to sort of use splashes of colors in the background, trying to keep it in a style latest Street Fighter games are using, so a lot of color splashes, not very controlled, making it a bit arty and dynamic. Anyways, that's enough from me, let's do this. And here was the first sort of moment of truth for me. I wanted 3 red streaks of color, narrowish, working bit like bloody slash from the claw, and well, it went okay, I suppose, not exactly how I imagine it, but it works for the general idea, and hey, there are no mistakes in art, just happy accidents. So, moving on. Acrylics are done, and normally I would now go in with the colored pencils. However, as I mentioned before, I want to keep that comic book aesthetic, so I went back with inks and also refreshed some of the crosshatching which got hidden under the colors. And we are done. What do you think? I'm pretty happy with the outcome. It is very close to what I had in mind when I started, so I call it a success. Also, I'm leaving on a short break this week, so highly likely the next upload will be a week later than usual. I might try to squeeze in another short video of refreshing of my older stuff, but no promises. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.